뮤지컬은 되죠 뭐.
Ini apa partai kan lagi. Thôi. William. Phải lại William tôi đi đâu phải phát kệ. Anh đi học đúng cái lỗ hổng tốt rồi. Đây thì khá lại đi học cái lỗ hổng.
Right in front marching is Mr. Lalshan Rena Warde of Class A, the school pupil leader, guides the entire parade of contingents, followed by Miss Ruth Laldan Flangi of Class 8, the assistant school pupil leader. Each house is represented by a captain and a vice captain. Here at your side, marching now is Red House. Marching majestically in front of you, dressed in red, symbolizing passion, sincerity, power and strength, is led by Captain Mr. Zordin Moya and Vice Captain Ed Captain.
còn đúng số là số
Right in front now is the gracious march of Greenhouse, dressed in green, symbolizes nature, renewal, generosity and fertility, led by Captain Mr. Joshua Lalring Renga and Vice Captain Gail Lalring Fenley. Here at your side is Yellow House, marching magnificently, dressed yellow, symbolizes joy, happiness, optimism and equality, led by Captain Van Galden Wantoya and Vice Captain Miss Lalsha Pui. Now watching the adorable marching of house in their blue color, which symbolizes peace, tranquility, stability and loyalty, led by Captain Mr. Lalrat Tuanga and Vice Captain Miss Christina.
I was sleeping and you were sleeping now.
เราดังแก้วเราให้เจอไปเจอมาสตาร์สไลด์เรเลสซอสเมอร์
Masuk tolong.
Kalau enak satu kalau aku
Samin tolong. Kemana go? Ano ganda doon?
Ilay tama lang wala Gusto na mga anak ulit. Memories mo na top ng mga anong zoman kay delete so
in your respective house. Please leave some space in between the senior boys, March past contingents. Please, in between
ang
each
top
house,
na kan mo kan naman
your
no.
junior ones may come and join you.
Winner who bring home some rich sports. Winner. Winner. Winner.